What's going on, everyone? Evan here. We got an awesome video for you guys today. But first, I want to tell you about this awesome lawn care and landscape community called ECHO Means Business. It's an online social media community where lawn care and landscapers come together to give each other tips and tricks and just help each other out in the industry. I'm a user advisor. I'm part of the community. It's awesome. I would highly encourage you guys to join. That being said, I know a lot of you guys remove snow, and I know a lot of you guys salt. Now, when I'm talking about salt, I'm not talking about salt in huge parking lots. I'm talking about salt in sidewalks, nooks and crannies and areas and things like that. And I've seen guys use buckets, snow raiders, different types of machines, but I haven't seen a lot of guys use spreaders. The knock on spreaders, from what I hear, is that spreaders jam up, they just don't work, the salt eats them away. So, I picked up the ECHO RB-85W Salt Spreader, and we're gonna put this bad boy to the test. Let's get it. The ECHO RB-85W is a game changer when spreading salt. The nickname for this spreader is Clear the Path. It has an 85-pound capacity hopper, so it holds more material for reduced refill frequency and full yard coverage. It has a stainless steel frame that's able to withstand the harshest elements. It includes a heavy-duty gear case with metal gears, which is awesome, and as you can see here, it has deflectors, but more on those later. The pneumatic tires, as you can see here, are pretty heavy-duty. I like that. The hopper grade on this thing rocks. It can really filter out hard salt. As you can see here, it has a salt-specific agitator, and here's the hopper opening in action. Alright, enough of me talking. Let's put this bad boy to use. I just put 2 bags of Eco Green rock salt into the hopper. Test 1, Sidewalk Salt Spreading. Here are my deflector settings for spreading salt on a sidewalk. So as you can see, there is a lot of salt here on this sidewalk. I had the hopper set for about halfway opening, and the deflectors I had set, but some of them kind of fell down. So this is why the sidewalk kind of looks like this. But overall, I'm pleased with how this looks. Test 2, same spreader settings, but with the hopper all the way open. So, as you can see here with the same deflector settings and the hopper all the way open, it lays a lot of salt down. I'm pleased with this, but I would never probably salt anything like this, but still looks kind of cool. Test 3, Parking Lot Salt Spreading version 2, hopper all the way open, deflectors all the way open. Let's get it. As you can see here, with the deflectors all the way open and the hopper all the way open, you can legitimately salt an entire parking lot with this salter. I'm impressed with that. There you have it, guys. You just saw the ECHO RB-85W in action. I think this spreader is a game changer for guys in the salt industry. I hear guys say they don't like spreaders, but this one stands the test of time when it comes to not jamming up. Some things that could improve on the spreader are these deflectors. They fall down, and when you get a little bit less than half salt, you actually have to bounce the spreader or move the salt with your hand to get this salt to actually come out. I think this control arm up here could be a tad tighter with the design. Not overly impressed with the design, but I think in the salt and snow game that I think spreaders should come back. Buckets work great, but this thing does not jam. It's awesome. See you guys.